Good morning, this is Kasturi Day. Today I am going to start with the discussion on the light energy chapter question answer series according to ICSE syllabus class 8. Okay. So in my last video I completed the text portion of the light energy. Today I am going to start with the question answers. So first is fill in the blanks. Water is optically dash than air, it's denser. Air is optically dash than glass, rarer. When a ray of light travels from water to air, it bends dash the normal away from the normal. When a ray of light travels from air to glass, it bends towards the normal. When the white light passes through a prism, it disperses. Okay. Then the splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion. A concave mirror is obtained on silvering the outer surface of a part of a hollow glass sphere. Radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is two times its focal length. Okay. The angle of incidence for a ray of light passing through the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is 0 degrees. Okay. A convex mirror always forms a virtual image. A concave mirror forms a virtual image for an object placed between pole and focus. The light falling on the mirror is called the incident ray. Okay, the perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence is called the normal. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the points of incidence all lie in the same plane. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. When all the parallel rays reflected from a smooth surface are parallel in one direction, is known as regular reflection. A curved mirror, which was a part of a hollow sphere, is called a spherical mirror. An imaginary line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is called the principal axis. A spherical mirror which is polished from hollow side such that the reflecting surface is towards the outer side, and that is called the convex mirror. Okay. When the face is held close to the mirror, it forms a virtual, erect, and enlarged image. The point of the principal axis, when a beam of light traveling parallel to the principal axis after reflection actually meet, is called the principal focus of the concave mirror. The phenomena due to which a ray of light deviates from its path traveling from one optical medium to another optical medium is called refraction. Okay. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal lie in the same plane during refraction. When a ray of light strikes the surface of separation of two optical media, normally it does not suffer any reflection. The ratio of a velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in a given media is called refractive index. Okay. When a ray of light travels from an optically more denser medium to an optically less denser medium, the angle of incidence is always less than the angle of refraction. Okay, because when a ray of light is traveling from optically denser, that is denser to rarer medium, then the refracted ray, that means the ray of light after refraction, it bends away from the normal. That's why the angle of incidence is less and angle of refraction is more. When the refraction takes place through a glass prism, the emergent ray always bends towards the base of the prism. The phenomena due to which white light splits up into 7 colors on passing through an equilateral prism is called dispersion of light. A prism is a piece of transparent material having 3 rectangular surfaces and 2 triangular surfaces. The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray when the ray is passing through an equilateral prism, that is known as, this angle is known as angle of deviation. The angle between two refracting surfaces of a prism is known as angle of prism. A concave mirror always forms a real and diminished image. Okay. Then regular reflection takes place from a dash surface, from a smooth surface. Now we come to some true and false. Okay. A concave mirror can be used to obtain a real and magnified image. That's true. Then a real image is always erect. No, it's false. It's always inverted. A convex mirror is used as street lights reflector. That is true. The band of 7 colors obtained on a screen when white light passes through a prism is known as spectrum. That's true. It is first face of a prism which disperses white light. That's true. During refraction, through prism, a ray bends away from its base. False, it's towards the base. Okay. For a prism, angle capital A plus angle capital D, that is angle of the prism plus angle of deviation, is equal to angle of incidence plus angle of emergence. That is true. The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray in case of a prism is known as angle of prism. No, it's known as angle of deviation. Next, a ray of light striking normally on another optical medium does not suffer refraction. That's true. The angle of incidence is always smaller than the angle of refraction when a ray travels from air to glass. No, it's false. It is always greater. Okay. A ray travels from glass to air, bends away from the normal. That's true. A pencil held obliquely in water appears bent and longer. No, it appears shorter, bent and shorter. Geometric center of a spherical mirror is its center of curvature. Geometric center of the spherical mirror is known as the pole. Okay, so the statement is false. A convex mirror always forms virtual and diminished image. That's true. When an object is at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, its image is formed at the center of curvature. That's true. Concave reflectors are used in street lights. That's false. It's convex reflectors are used in street lights. A concave mirror can be used for close-up, close makeup or shaving glass. That's true. The reflected ray leaves the mirror at not the same angle at which the incident ray strikes. That's false. It's at the same angle. Okay, because the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And in the previous case, a concave mirror can be used for close makeup or shaving glasses, because the concave mirror, when anybody sees the concave mirror very close to the mirror, if his face is very close to the mirror, then the image will be formed virtual at the behind the mirror, and it will be enlarged. That's why it's used for close makeup or shaving glasses. Then real image is always erect and laterally inverted. That's false. It is inverted, not laterally inverted. Then laws of reflection are valid for every surface. That's true. See, laws of reflection are valid for every surface means it's no, it's not valid for rough surfaces. Okay, there the laws of reflection are not valid, because there the angle of incidence is not equal to the angle of reflection. So the statement is false. Okay, in the experiment of reflection of light, white sheet of paper acts as a plane. That's true. Water is optically denser than glass. That's false. Less denser, because the speed of light is more in glass and than in water. Okay, the speed of light is more in glass than in water. That's false. The speed of light is less in glass, that is more in water. No, the speed of light is more in water and less in glass. Okay, that's why water is less denser than water is less denser than glass. So both the statements that water is optically denser than glass, that also that the reason was it should be the speed of light in water is more than in glass. Okay. The depth of a pond when seen from above appears to be less. That's true. Light travels at a lower speed in water than in air. That's true. Light travels in same straight line path while passing through different media. That's false, because it light travels in the same straight line path while passing through different media. When it is passing through different media, it is not passing through the same straight line path. It is deviating. It is deviating, okay, because there are two different media. So there is a refraction is occurred. Only if it is passing through normally, then only it will pass through the same straight line path. The angle of formed between the normal and the refracted ray is known as angle of incidence. No, it's known as angle of refraction. At the point of incidence, a line drawn at the right angles to the surface separating the two media is known as normal. That's true. Image is formed by the mirror to the principal axis pass through the focus after reflection from a concave mirror. That's image is formed by a mirror due to refraction of light. No, that is reflection of light. Okay, and rays of light incident parallel to the principal axis pass through the focus after reflection from a concave mirror. That's true. Then a focal length of a convex mirror is equal to the radius of curvature. False, it is half of its radius of curvature. A virtual image formed by a spherical mirror is always erect and situated behind the mirror. That's true. Okay. So I'll stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the question answers in my next video. Please go through this. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box. Okay. And hope you are liking the videos. Press the like button, and also you please subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, or if you are a new viewer to my channel, please to subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Another important announcement that I'll be launching a website very soon that will contain more information on different subjects. Okay. And if you want any more subjects to be made videos on YouTube, please do let me know right in the comment box. Okay. So thank you for watching.